Hey guys, this is Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today I'm going to talk to you about a barbell push press. This is going to be a variation of the barbell overhead press, so you're going to want to refer back to that video so you can see the coaching cues that we use regarding proper setup and execution of the lift. Okay? Now I'm going to add some details that are important to the push press. First one, namely, because you're using a push, you're going to be able to use a little bit more weight. Okay? So most people are going to push press a little bit more than they're able to do on a really strict overhead press. Okay? Now push press is not a thruster. Okay? So I'm not going to go into a full squat. Instead, when I start my push press, I'm going to keep my feet a little bit closer than shoulder width apart, okay? And I'm almost going to go down into a little quarter squat, initiating the movement by using what's called leg drive, pushing with my legs to initiate and start my press, okay? Because that is going to be an option that's going to allow you to use a little bit more weight. You're going to want your clients to train just a little bit heavier on a push press than with an overhead press, okay? So I'm going to start same way as with an overhead press, hand spacing in nice and close, right where the knurling begins on each side, elbows tucked in tight. I'm going to unwrap that bar, stand back, small movement with my legs, just enough to generate that momentum, and push my head forward at the top. Return back down, let the bar settle for a second, and then start from there, right like that. So those repetitions are going to be spaced out, okay? If you have somebody that's struggling with the barbell push press and you've been coaching them on it, they can't quite understand it, my recommendation, guys, is have them use a pair of dumbbells instead so that they can build up a baseline level of strength, and at some point they will be able to use a 45-pound barbell, okay? Anyway, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do barbell push presses on our upper body strength day.